All right, now it's time to apply what we've learned about number patterns to see if we can continue a number pattern, but we don't really know which one is the number pattern. We're just going to have to look and see. So let's look at number 1. It goes 2, 4, 6, 8. So I know that there's 2 digits. We're just adding 2. So if I keep the pattern going, I go what's after 8? 10, 12, 14, 16. Good. Now let's look at the next one. This one looks like we're counting backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7. And we're counting by ones. Very good. So let's just keep going. 6, 5, 4, and 3. Good. This next one isn't one that we've talked about a lot, but I bet we could figure it out if we look at what is between 3 and 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like we're counting by 3s. Let's try it and see if there's 3 spots between 6 and 9. 7, 8, 9. Good. 10, 11, 12. Oh, man, that's good. So if we add 3 to 12, what's next? 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. Now let's keep adding. 3 more. 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24. Very good. So that one we were adding 3s. Now let's see if we can figure out between 7 and 9. 7, 8, 9. It looks like 2. Did you think 2? So let's do 9 plus 2. 10, 11. Very good. 11, 12, 13. Okay, so what's 13 plus 2? 13, 14, 15. Oh, 15. Now we do 2 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good. So that one was plus 2, but it looks like we were doing the odd numbers instead of the even numbers. All right. Oh, this one will be easy. We've done a lot of counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Very good. So that one was by 5s. We have 3 more. You're doing awesome. So it looks like the next one is counting backwards. So 20, 18, 16, 14. So do minus 2. What would be next? 12, minus 2 more. 10, minus 2 more. 8, minus 2 more is 6. Good. All right. Let's look at the next one. Let's see if we can figure it out. 2, 3, 4. So then 5. So this one was plus 2, 3, 4, 5. This was plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one was plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 5. Oh, look at this pattern. What do you think is next? Plus what? 6. So let's do 14 plus 6. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so if we do the next one would be plus 7. 20 plus 7, 27. This is hard. Plus 8 more would be 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And then if we do plus 9, oh my goodness, that would be 44. That was a hard one. Ugh, good job, boys and girls. All right. The last one looks like we're counting backwards by 5s, which we did already this week. So this is going to be really easy. So what comes before 25? 20, then 15, 10, and 5. Very good. Boys and girls, that was hard. And you did an awesome job. So, girls, excellent job today. Flip it over on the back, do your rocket math, and then do what your teacher would have you do once you're finished with your rocket math. Good work, boys and